Are there not pockets?
There's not pockets. You would think there'd be pockets, right? It's ridiculous. Hey guys, we are at Forward Performance. This is Jared's shop. You've seen, we were swapping the motor and stuff over here. We're here, we're going to do a quick little IS video. We're here with Ethan. Ethan, you can say hi.
What's up,
Ethan's
guys?
behind the camera. We're here filming for his channel right now, but I figured I'd bite his steez a little bit and do a little video myself. So I'll plug his stuff in the description, but let's get into some B-roll and some driving. Because Ethan, this is technically still the fastest 2J car that Ethan's ever been in, and might as well warm him up, you know, because the other car is definitely faster.
Nothing to see here, people.
What do you say?
So nothing to see here, people.
Yeah, we're all right.
Just casual.
It sounds crazy.
It makes cool noises for sure.
Well, it's like this seat's like polished, dude. I'm like,
you know, one time we were all back. When I just got the car, I piled all my friends in it. We started doing donuts. We're doing donuts. 3 kids in the back, doing donuts. I finished the donut and I stopped. And my last friend just goes, whoop, bam! Hits his head so hard on the window. We all thought it was gonna shatter. It was hilarious that it did. In the grass just a wee bit.
It definitely is, like, it's making more power.
It's making more big jam, right? Like, I'm not crazy.
For sure.
I took Bandit in the car and I was
like, it's not falling off.
Dude, it feels good. Like, it's fucking solid. And we got a lot more tuning to go. We stopped because he was like, let's just leave it here for now. I'm going on vacation. Let's leave it. And I'm like, all right, let's go. I'm telling you, VVTI was not on before. It jams now.
Yeah, it definitely does.
All right, we'll do one more because I'm actually kind of having a little bit of fun. Sorry.
Just roll it up now, dude.
Last one, I promise.
I love that you don't care at all about the diff.
We don't have to. It just makes enough power to care. You know what I mean? Like,
boom.
See, just fun, right? Like, we can come in after a couple of pulls there, come back to the garage, to the shop.
That was this. What the hell is that gonna be like?
Oh yeah.
A little sketchy.
It's different. This, you know, that's why.
It's still fun though.
This thing's dialed for like for track stuff. That thing's dialed for different kind of track stuff.
Takes a little longer to come up.
This is how you know you're having fun with pulls when this starts to pop out.
That's awesome.
Oh, that was good fun.
It feels good.
All right, next one. Yeah. All right, let's do it. 32 pounds. Yeah. That's a lot of pounds. All right, now we're in Jared's car. Obviously, you can hear it.
A little different. A little different tone.
A little deeper. 4-inch piping? Yeah.
And just the 2J heads.
It does make different noises.
It's really loud. This is the slipper clutch with the trans and space blades, so it's very, very clunky.
Hi, Yusuf.
gotta feel the shifts. Like it's freaking awesome.
It did. I felt it. That's trust right there. That's trust.
Yeah, that's a little squirrely.
It's a good sized road.
Yeah, I had the fucker look. Seriously, they're like, woo!
Fucker mode engaged.
Yeah, it's pretty rowdy.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That is nuts.
You start to feel it like
on the highway, like at 4th, especially, it's pretty funky. Yeah, that was a little sketchy. Yeah, that's probably, I mean, 32 pounds. It's probably like 850.
Yeah.
9-ish, 859.
It's just fun. I mean, that's
like,
just even more fun.
Yeah, like the car handles it, which is crazy because these are small.
It
like,
soaks it up. It's very different.
Like that was sketchy, but more so because of the dirt. But like,
don't forget about the Falcon.
Freaking yeah, it's just crazy how these cars handle.
Yeah. Yeah, it does.
Like it'll spin, but it still just goes. Like
that's the fun part, though.
That's all we got on Google for now. Before we go to jail.
Yeah. Before we go to trouble.
Good road raceway.
No, we had fun.
Yeah, these cars are awesome.
I totally get the hype. I totally. I mean.
Oh yeah, it's an experience that's unlike really anything else. It's visceral. That'll be a good little one on the 360 cam too.
You can't not just laugh like a schoolgirl.
No, literally, it's a different kind of experience than any other kind of. Like you can make this power in a lot. Yeah,
like
you make this power in a BMW or like a 3 Series, like a 340 or whatever. It's not gonna, or even like Mark V Super. It does not feel anywhere close to what that
cars
feels
too. Like everybody take for a ride. Like they're always like it doesn't stop.
Yeah, and exactly. Like we're still short shifting. When you're like,
yeah, exactly.
Like there's a lot more to go. We're on a tiny road, baby.
Especially like stocky thing.
All right, guys, we are back from this little fun video. Let's do a little outro. I got on Ethan now. So this was your first time in, like, fast 2J cars back to back.
Yeah.
I mean, fast. I know I'm not fast, all right, guys. But
I was in that last time, and that was like, all right. This is getting crazy.
He's pointing at my car.
We're talking about this guy right here. That's wild. And then we took that out. It was like, what the? And then we took this out, and yeah. I mean, I'm sure you'll see on the footage how crazy it was for me, but that.
So different, obviously very different setups. My car is more set up for like turns and exiting turns, which we'll have to do a video of you in the car and like a track type stuff, because that's where it really shines. Yeah. But it's just fun on the street. So drivability wise, what did you think about each car? And like if you like 1,000 horsepower IS versus 600 horsepower IS for the street. Yeah. What would you have? Which one for? What would you like? Where would you rate each thing?
Okay, definitely like that's like a drag car, dude. Like that. I mean, it is fast. I mean, what's the record?
So he went a 956. I think it was like I don't want to say a number. 140 something, 150. Yeah. I remember. I was there and I actually filmed it, but I forgot.
Oh my gosh. I mean, okay, if I had to choose, I'd take that because that seems a little bit overkill. I mean, you're gonna be beating anything on the street, but
Jared his MO is overkill. I mean, if you guys, we'll do some stuff on his Super, but his Super makes like 1,600. It goes sevens. So this to him is just his fun street car, and the fact that stock suspension, it feels scary on the inside, right?
Yeah, dude. And the seat. I mean, for you guys in the front with those seats versus your seats, dude. We were talking about this before we got here. Like he has stock everything, and the one thing that I'd want in that car is seats.
Yeah, the seats, and you know what? It's something you don't really think about in the process, but it's cool. I like it that it's stock. You know, I like that it's there. But like when you want to feel secure, like you feel a little safer doing some sketchy shit in that car versus when you're, you know, in this thing like swirling side to side very aggressively. You know what? Here, I plug that video right here. Bloop. Yeah, but yeah. Okay, so cool little thing. We had fun filming today. If you guys want more of this stuff, let us know. I want to do more of this stuff. Ethan got me to do this one today. Yeah. And I need to get out and do some more filming with other people. So thank you.
Go watch his channel, dude.
Yeah, and definitely check out Ethan's stuff too. So I'll plug that below. But thank you for watching, guys. Jared, say goodbye.
Bye.
We'll be back.
Next time we'll have more fun.
Yeah, we'll do more things. Super things. Okay. All right. All right. Goodbye, everybody.